Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about for all the car enthusiasts and DIY mechanics out there. If you've ever wondered what those mysterious dashboard warning lights mean, or if you want to keep an eye on your vehicle's health without spending a fortune on diagnostics, then you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll be diving into the world of the FIXD Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner, a handy device that could save you time, money, and headaches. Let's get started. So, what is the FIXD Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner? Well, it's a compact and user-friendly device that plugs into your car's OBD2 port, allowing you to access real-time data about your vehicle's performance, diagnose issues, and even understand those pesky warning lights that often leave us scratching our head. One of the best features, it connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, giving you all the information you need at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of the FIXD scanner. 1. Real-time monitoring. With the FIXD app on your smartphone, you can keep an eye on your car's health in real time. It continuously monitors your vehicle's systems and alerts you to any potential problems. Easy to understand codes. No more Googling obscure error codes. The app translates those intimidating check engine light codes into simple, plain language explanations. This empowers you to understand the issue without having to be a car expert. Maintenance reminders. The app also helps you stay on top of regular maintenance tasks. It'll notify you when it's time for an oil change, tire rotation, or any other routine service your car needs. Logbook and history. The FIXD app keeps a log of all your vehicle's maintenance and issues, creating a helpful history that you can share with mechanics or potential buyers when needed. Multi-vehicle support. Got more than one car? Not a problem. The FIXD app can monitor multiple vehicles, making it a great tool for families or car enthusiasts with a collection. Let's walk through how the FIXD scanner works. 1. Plug and play. First, locate your car's OBD2 port, usually beneath the dashboard near the steering wheel. Plug the FIXD scanner into the port. Bluetooth pairing. Next, download the FIXD app on your smartphone, whether you're on Android or iOS. Pair the app with the scanner via Bluetooth. Scan and interpret. Once paired, the app will scan your vehicle's systems and present you with any detected issues in an easy-to-understand manner. 4. Maintenance insights. Beyond problem diagnosis, the app provides insights into upcoming maintenance needs based on your vehicle's mileage and usage. Here are the pros and cons of the FIXD Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner. Pros: affordable, easy to use, comprehensive diagnostic coverage, provides repair recommendations, sends automated maintenance alerts, multi-vehicle health monitoring. Cons: only reads transmission codes in certain makes and models, doesn't offer ability to custom encode your vehicle, requires a subscription for premium features. Overall, the FIXD Bluetooth OBD2 Scanner is a good option for car owners who want an affordable and easy-to-use way to diagnose and monitor their vehicle's health. However, it is important to note that it has some limitations, such as its inability to read transmission codes in all makes